Hi guys, I'm Kriti and today we are going to make some hot chocolate. We require 177 ml of milk, which is approximately 3/4 cup of milk, 57 gram of chopped chocolate, any good quality chocolate, that is about half a cup of chocolate, half tablespoon of cornflour, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and some marshmallows. We also require a pan. You can use a whisk or a spatula, whichever you have, whichever you're comfortable with. Also a cup to serve. So let's begin. First, we'll take about a spoon of milk, a little bit more. Mix it with the cornflour. Make a slurry so that there are no lumps. Keep it aside. Add chopped chocolate and a splash of milk to the pan. Switch on the stove at minimum heat to melt the chocolate. Add sugar and cocoa powder and mix well. Once all the chocolate melts, add the remaining milk to the pot. Once the mixture comes to a boil, add cornflour slurry and mix once again. And here's your thick, creamy hot chocolate ready to be enjoyed.